Hello guys, Furfused Loco, and today I'm doing another unboxing video. Which this was here before in the past, but I had to send it back for repairs. Well, there's something wrong with the motor in it, so let me just... Got it open. The engine in question is this, a 93 XX Mogul. Yep, like I said, this was here before, but it had some issues, like with the motor, like it couldn't run, and there was a previous recording of it, like a long time ago, which I deleted of it, which this engine wouldn't work. I had multiple engines trying to pull around to get its motor to start. Yeah, its motor did work sometimes, but it just stopped working. So, yep. Here's the Loco part itself, which does look cool. Also on here is the history of the class. Oop. Just let the focus. This is I don't know. I'll let you guys pause the video so you could read the history of this class. So, yep. Also with the Loco, oh, it came off again. It's one of the wheel flanges came off. Its wheel flange came off on its tender. So I'll fix that again. Well, I'll have to re-glue it. No. Yep. In case you're wondering, this is my current fleet of GWR Locos. A 94XX, a 66XX, a 61XX, a Manor, and a King. So, yep, let me just put this on track. It's on the track. Also, the train it'll be pulling for the running session, which I'm running trains whenever I get new Locos. Now, which I think it would be a good way to show off some of my rolling stock. So, here is a GWR, well, a Great Western Railway fish train, which I don't have very many GWR wagons, which you can see over there. I have 2 wagons. So, yep, hopefully this train doesn't derail. And to make sure it doesn't, I'm just going to check the points. Let's see if it... Maybe just to see if they were set towards the shunting yard. And they're not, so let me just put this in. And also, guys, I'm kind of sorry about this being a little messy. Yep. So hopefully I could try cleaning it off soon. Well, get all the wagons off and find them new homes. Along with locos. There, so... Yep. Let's just get this engine running. And it stopped. Whoa. And there it goes. Oh, the bogey came off the track again. Sorry about that. Oh God, oh God. Whoa! Toei just moved on his own. I'll just move Toei off the track. Just get this back on the rails. So... I was kind of hoping that the trucks wouldn't fall off, but it turned out the loco had some slight problems, which I might need to fix one of the problems, which is the front bogie, since it's kind of loose, and it kind of just derails a lot. Kind of makes the loco derail a lot. Don't worry, I'll fix that soon. Now let me just move the loco a bit. Oh, one of the cars did come off. Never mind. So, yeah. Also, one thing I'll probably like to mention is that I'm collecting GWR engines, which try and build up a Great Western Railway fleet, which, since the GWR is my favorite of the big four, which I did give myself some rules, which are, I'm not getting locos of the same class, only if they're a special edition, like the Hogwarts Express, the Railway Children's loco, or the ambulance train set. Also, I won't be getting engines in the BR livery, since I prefer the original Great Western livery. So, yep, also the little lamps on these locos, which were made from Sculpey 3. And I am aware there are lamps on Shapeways, but personally, I like to use my money for better things, like new locos or rolling stock, so ignore that, that's the phone. So, yeah. This is Furfuse Loco signing off.